All right, guys. I am live with Artifacts. So we have double box. Sorry for the noise. Are we parking here tonight with delicious dogs, footlongs? You know, we have a big hit. I'll show you my footlong. All right, there we go. First box. We have a nice new playmat where we can set up the teams. You'll be able to see all this to the break. Into the packs. Here we go. Like I said, sorry for the noise. Big party here tonight. All right, for the San Jose Sharks, Patrick Marleau, Ruby. We have a Ruby of Blake Wheeler. $9.99 of Taylor Hall. We have a rookie, number 99 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Slater Quick. That's all. Quick. For the Minnesota Wild, Darcy Kuemper, number 125. Yep. Darcy Kuemper, yep. Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele, Blake Wheeler, dual jersey. All right, the redemption. Je connais par cœur à toi 20 years. Redemption. Nashville Predators. And the big hit of the pack is, oh, we have a red. What is it? Oh, nice. We have a Tundra Tandem dual straps of Neil Yakupov and Leon Draisaitl. Number 9. Not a McDavid, but still pretty good. All right. Second box. That's nice. It's going to be a random between everyone. Number 3, Emerald. I suppose it's going to be Max Domi, but it's not been announced yet, so it will need to be a random. Not passé. Rookie for the Flames, Emile Poirier. $9.99 Aaron Ekblad, Florida Panthers. Il a mis du THC dans le boucan, on va peut-être péter tantôt. LA Kings, Justin Brown, sorry. Sapphire, number 85, Zdeno Chara. Jersey for the Leafs, Phil Kessel. Dual jersey for the Carolina Hurricanes, Rob Bernamo. Carolina Hurricanes, and the last, yeah, it should be going to be an autograph. Yeah. We got that in the last break. Come on. $125 for the Ottawa Senators, Matt Puempel. That's it. So let me do the random. All right, random. So everyone's in the list. There we go. 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So you see, this list has been random 3 times. Winnipeg Jets wins number 3. Congrats to Winnipeg. All right, guys. Have a nice evening, and remember, SPGA News on Sunday. And remember to go trick or treat with your kids, or just give some candy to the kids, please.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween, guys, from Frank, Jonathan, and Charles. Bye-bye.